Another day, another story: how to file salary return in Iris. The process of submitting a salary return may vary depending on the country and the specific requirements of the tax authority. In Pakistan, you can follow these steps. 1. Obtain a national tax number, NTN, from the Federal Board Revenue, FBR. You don't already have one. 1. You can apply for an NTN online or at nearest regional tax office, RTO, or large taxpayer unit, LTU. 2. Register for the IRIS web portal of the FBR. 2. You can register for IRIS online by providing your NTN and other required information. 3. Once have you registered on IRIS, you can log in and select the option for filing a salary return. 3. You will need to provide details of your income, tax deduction, and any tax paid during the year. 4. Review the information you have provided and makes any necessary corrections. 5. Once you have satisfied with the information provided, submit your return online. 5. The FBR will issue an acknowledgement of your return filling. 6. If you owe any taxes, make the payment online using the online banking system or other authorized payment channels. Following are the steps of filing income tax salary return in Pakistan. It is important that the process of submitting a salary return can be complex, and it's as often advisable to seek professional assistance from tax accountant and other legal experts to ensure that you are complying with all relevant regulations and get maximum benefit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe channel. Any query, please contact us. Links consultant 0335 221 7222.